What's going on, traders? It's Eric here with Traveling Trading. Just wanted to make a quick video here discussing the IPO and the trade made by coin that I did yesterday. And just to kind of give you guys a little bit of insight and tips on pretty much how that trade went. But most importantly, what I wanted to do here in this video for a lot of you guys who are new too is cover, one of the many key factors that you need to know when trading an IPO, because the trade in that is going to be a little bit different for many different reasons. But there's really one main key factor that you should always consider, especially with IPOs, because of the fact of the type of security that it is that you're trading. And knowing this fact is how I was able to be successful with the trade that I took yesterday, as you guys seen that was posted in the group. Okay. So this is, one thing that I think you guys need to consider, especially when you're trading an IPO. All right. So let's kind of get into it here. One of the main key factors that you guys and a lot of traders, typically tend to forget is